Let's talk about the weather, the Environmental Issues Edition. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to take a dive into English vocabulary related to one of the most important topics in our lives, the environment, with a specific focus on environmental issues. This is not just about learning English, but also about becoming more aware and knowledgeable about the world we live in. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's explore some fundamental terms that you will often hear when people discuss environmental issues. Here are a few key terms. Pollution. This word refers to the introduction of harmful substances into the environment. For example, air pollution in the city has increased. Deforestation. This is the act of cutting down trees and forests, usually for other land uses. For example, deforestation is a major problem in the Amazon rainforest. Global warming. This phrase refers to the gradual increase in the Earth's overall temperature. For example, global warming is a serious concern for scientists. Sustainable. This adjective describes something that can be maintained or continued over the long term without harming the environment. For example, sustainable farming practices are important for our future. Now that we have some essential vocabulary, let's learn how to use these words in sentences and discussions about environmental issues. When talking about pollution, you can say, many cities are dealing with high levels of pollution. For deforestation, you can express concern by saying, deforestation is causing loss of biodiversity. While discussing global warming, you might say, we must take action to combat global warming. When referring to sustainable practices, a sentence could be, we need to focus more on sustainable living to protect our environment. Finally, let's learn how to express our opinions on these topics. Sharing your thoughts is an important part of any conversation. Here are some useful phrases. In my opinion, we need to reduce pollution by using public transportation more often. I think that the government should implement stricter laws to prevent deforestation. I believe that each one of us can contribute to stopping global warming by using less energy. From my perspective, leading a sustainable lifestyle is the best way to help the environment. That's all for today's lesson. Learners, I hope this video was helpful in improving your English vocabulary and in understanding more about environmental issues. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words, but also about understanding and discussing important issues. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.